Right now, the radar is showing the showers continuing to push through the area. Some of the heaviest rain now past State Road 29 south of I-75 here. If you're making that journey to Broward County, it's going to be a little wet at times. Same idea here from 75 north up towards Bonita Springs. You see the light to moderate rain showers still along 41 all the way up towards Estero. At the areas along Fort Myers Beach, Lovers Key, you're getting a break, and most of the rain now is pulling inland between Alva and Lehigh Acres. Babcock Ranch 31 there along Bayshore. It's beginning to dry out, and same idea here between Belglade and Clewiston. So as this front pulls on through, our rain will taper off. The clouds are going to stick around for a bit, and eventually the wind is going to turn in out of the north. You can see our temperatures right now are in the mid to upper 60s with a couple of 70s on the map in the southern parts of Collier, and that is a few degrees warmer than yesterday, but we're not going to move much now. Once this wind comes in out of the north and it starts to pick up later on today, 10 to 15 miles per hour, you can see those numbers this afternoon. It's going to keep our temperatures right there in the upper 60s to low 70s, and the wind's going to be a little gusty. We're talking about upper teens later on this evening. As we look at the forecast here on the day ahead, breezy, cool. We get rid of the wet weather. We'll try to see a little sunshine break through throughout the afternoon. The sunset time comes there at 6:05. Now, keep in mind our average is 75, so even though it's going to feel cooler, we're not too far off that mark. Our record on this date is 86, going back to 74. There is some cooler air on the map as we've got a pair of cold fronts that are going to continue to pull off towards the east. This parent storm system is bringing quite a gloomy day here across the northeast from Cape Cod all the way up towards Maine, and another skip of snow there in the Midwest on the backside of the area low pressure. For us, as we watch this cold front continue to move to the south here, the clouds are going to stick around in the southern part of the state, but watch what happens tomorrow. That boundary is going to lift back to the north, bringing with it the cloud cover. So as we take a closer look here at today, by lunchtime, the winds out of the north and a broken area of cloud cover, and that will continue through the evening hours. Then tomorrow, it's going to be a battle of how far north this cloud line moves back. Just know that tomorrow, regardless of whether it's completely cloudy or we see a little sunshine break through, it is going to be cool, and that's because we've got this dip in the jet stream for now. Watch what happens late in the weekend. The air retreats, the ridge holds on strong, and that's going to put us above average here for a while. Matter of fact, look at this in the 7-day forecast. After a chilly end of the work week, the weekend's going to warm up quickly. 84 Sunday. We'll stay in the mid-80s Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Those numbers are going to be 10 or more above our average of 75 for this time of year.